Alright, today our brother's getting ready to prime up the areas that he did his little touch up on the A and B pillars. Getting ready to put the tub into feather fill. There he is over there whipping up some primer. Got this side all taped up. And what I've been doing is working on the doors. Got one done already. What we do is we take this carbon black powder and use it as a guide coat. And then I take a big old styrofoam block with some 180, sand all the orange peel out of it. And then I take a paint stick with some 220 to take out the 180 scratches. And that's where we'll leave it until we get ready to paint it. And then I'll take the said paint stick, wrap it with some 320, and then take out the 220 scratches. So I need to get back at the door later. And here we've got some feather fill action going on. Spraying all the areas that he'd put body filler in. Well, we're at our end of day video. I've been working on the front valance. I got it guide coated, and got it about halfway done before we're going to call it a day. So that's where that is. And I got both doors sanded down into 220, pretty much smooth as a baby's butt. And yeah, just lots and lots and lots of sanding. And then there'll be more sanding. And probably some sanding after that. Absolutely. Later.